Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance QR code. Open the Binance app and tap Wallet, then select the QR scanner to start sending or receiving crypto. I'll walk you through scanning a payee code, sharing your receive code, verifying addresses, and confirming amounts. Stay calm, check the network type, and double-check the address before approving any transfer to avoid mistakes. Practice with small amounts until you are confident. Start by selecting Pay and scanning the recipient's Binance QR code with your app camera. Confirm the displayed address, network, and amount before proceeding, and edit the memo if needed. If the QR contains a preset amount, confirm it matches what you intend to send and watch for token mismatches. Finish by entering your 2FA or passcode, then wait for on-chain confirmation and a success message in your wallet safely. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick guides. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is great for keeping your car fresh after handling crypto on the go, and it smells sharp and clean. Check the description for the link and other deals, and treat yourself or a friend to a small upgrade. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To receive crypto, tap Receive and display your Binance QR code for the sender to scan. Make sure the shown network and token match what the sender plans to use, and include any required memo. You can save the QR as an image for repeat payments or share it via messaging, keeping privacy in mind. Monitor the incoming transaction in your wallet and check confirmations before using the funds safely.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.